Hi, and welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about slicing a string. Let's get started. Go ahead and open Atom. And in Atom, you're going to create a brand new file inside of your strings folder called stringslicing.py. This is going to be a program to help you learn about slicing a string, which is pretty much taking a piece or a slice out of the string and forgetting about the rest. So think of a string as like a whole pizza. You're just taking a slice out. And with Python, every single time you make a string, it's going to automatically assign what is called an index value. An index value. This is going to always start at 0. So whenever you create a string, the first character of your word is always going to be 0. And the next one will be 1, and the next one 2, and the next one 3, and the next one 4, until the end of the string. In this case, Rex ends at 2, 0, 1, 2. And Python will also assign the same index, but in a negative way, starting at the last letter, like -1, -2, -3 for Rex. So let me show you. Create a message variable and assign the string Rex programming to that variable. And in this string, we are going to use positive indexes to get certain letters out. So if I wanted to get the letter R, the first letter, I would simply say message 0. And this would give me my R, because the first letter, the first index, 0, is going to be that first character. And if I wanted to get P, I would just count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I could say get the fourth letter out and get P. Awesome. So this also works with negative indexes. Let's give it a shot. So if I were to say message -1, I would get the last letter, which is G. And if I wanted to get maybe that P, I could go down -1, -2, all the way down to -11 and get that P. And you can work this either way. I could do it forwards or backwards. So message 4 could be P, or message -11 could be P. You can do the index either way because Python has it for you, and this makes it really easy for you to get whichever letter you need out of your string. Awesome. Well, that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next video.